Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making cookie butter balls. I think this is going to be a fun recipe to make. I think it's going to be a delicious recipe to eat. So stick around. You're going to want to see how these turn out. This recipe is basically a spin on peanut butter balls. I just had the idea of why not using cookie butter. I love cookie butter. If you love cookie butter, I think you're probably really going to like this recipe. I am using 1 cup of the cookie butter. To that, I am adding 6 tablespoons of melted butter, but it is cooled down. I'm going to use my hand mixer and mix that all up. You may notice that mine looks lumpy. That is because I was using crunchy cookie butter. I would have preferred the smooth, but crunchy is what I had. I have 2 3/4 cup of powdered sugar that I will gently blend with my cookie butter and butter. Throwing in a large splash of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of milk. And I have about a cup of Rice Krispies. Yep, should be able to use all of that. I did a little taste test of that, and I didn't think it tasted quite cookie butter enough, not for my liking, so I went ahead and added about another half a cup of cookie butter. I felt like it was a little too powder sugary. So that seemed to kind of even the flavors out a little better. Now I am going to start rolling these up in a ball. Okay, before I actually start rolling my cookie balls, I want to take these cookies. Got 1 package here left. I had used the other half of that for another recipe a while ago. Hoping these are going to be enough. Okay. With clean hands, I take, I don't know, whatever this amount is, approximately that much, and I'm going to roll that into a ball. Then I'm going to roll it into the cookie crumbs. Just kind of shake that off a little bit, and there it is. That's my cookie butter ball. Nice. Now I got to do that with all of the rest of this. Once I get them all done, I will show you what they look like on a nice little plate. And then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let them, well, stay cold for a couple of days. They should set up nicely, and I think they're going to taste amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!